Hey everyone, welcome back to the Peterson Bronco. Today I'm going to be doing an install of the door pockets on my Bronco. This is really quite quick, easy install to do. All you need is a T30 Torx bit on a drill, or you could use a ratchet, whatever you have available. And these are designed to mount directly on top of the mesh, so that the mesh kind of helps to hold anything you put in there. And then it is curved, some contour on the rubber inside, so that you can fit 2 bottles or 1 large bottle in there. So again, quick, easy install. Let's get into it. So what I'm going to be using is my cordless drill with a T30 Torx bit inside of it. Simply loosen off and remove all these bolts. And then you don't even take that little mesh weave off. The door pocket just goes right on top. And that's all there is to it for installing the door pockets on your front doors. Again, they mount right on top of the mesh. For the back doors, they did supply some self-tapping screws, again, to mount right on top. But yeah, that's it, that's all. Pretty quick, easy install. I will show you the back door now. So for the back door, the door pocket literally sits right on top, and they supplied self-tapping screws. You just screw it right in. So the most important thing with this is making sure that it's sitting exactly where you want it, and then you just screw it in. So again, very quick, easy install. And that's it. It's nice, adds another cup holder to the back seats, gives a bit more storage space in there. With maintaining the bungee cord mesh in there, helps to hold things. But yeah, so that's it for the install. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave any comments below. Have a good one. Alright, so it's been a couple days now that I've had the door pockets installed. So things that I've noticed is when I have my foot on the footrest while driving, this rests right up against my leg. Getting in and out of the vehicle, I end up kind of hitting my knee on this, and occasionally I kick it while I'm trying to get in. But those are just things that obviously I kind of was expecting. And so now I wanted to show, what does it fit? So, I have a couple Go Mugs. They one easily, no problem, but there's not quite enough room to fit a second if you needed. But with one in there, you can still, regular size water bottle, throw that in there, no problem, and you still have a lot of room up here. So good amount of storage space that's added. Big thermal flask does not fit. With that center rubber nub that's in there, if you really wanted, I'm sure you could actually literally cut that out. Take out that hunk of rubber if this is what you're carrying around most, and then it would fit no problem. The next thing I wanted to see is whether or not the door bags actually still fit, close, zip up when you put it on taking the door off. So let's check that out. So first thing I'm going to do, unlock and then hold and get all my windows down. Nice little Ford feature. So let's take off this door, see if it fits. So I have my door bag. I'm just going to slide that on. Then grab the tool. My handy dandy Ford tool case. Pick up my door. Definitely scratching the zipper, but yeah, can get it to close. So one thing you will definitely not be able to do with the door pockets installed on your doors is be able to actually stack all 4 doors in the back behind the back seat. That will not fit. But they do fit in the door bag. I'm actually kind of pleasantly surprised about that. I really didn't think it would. So that's a positive, that's awesome. So, but again, having the door pockets installed does take up a fair amount of leg room that you'll notice, but the extra storage is definitely nice to have. Especially when you're going off road and want to bring, you know, some more food or drink or things like that, or with having, you know, family. It's having that extra storage for the longer road trips definitely is nice. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll see you on the next one.